Hey everyone, welcome to Chai and Coaching. So glad to have you here. We are doing a Chai and Coaching holiday giveaway for the end of the year, so watch to find out how you can win.
Hey Soumya and Rob, a lot of my friends are coming from India and they're joining the spring semester in US, and everybody's asking me what all things they need to pack for the cooking stuff, and I don't know what to tell them. Like, should I tell them bring everything with them because they have weight restrictions?
You know, Nilesh, Chai and Coaching has come with this interesting idea of giveaways this holiday season. And Rob, can you please tell all the students who are coming to the United States for higher studies, so what are the plans from Chai and Coaching?
So maybe for the new spring students or any other students, we might have a solution to that problem. Let's see what they can win. Alright guys, what do we have here? What can people win in this Chai and Coaching holiday giveaway?
Wow, that's awesome. So I can see a crock pot over here. You can use it as a cooker. You can put in rice, you can cook the rice. You want to put in some veggies and chicken and everything and keep it for 1 or 2 hours and it will be cooked. So this is a pretty nice thing to have in your kitchen.
You know this makes one of the best things. Queso.
Awesome, yeah.
Great for chips and dip.
Yeah.
Soumya, what do we got here?
And my dear friends, this cookware set comprises of 13 pieces of non-stick aluminum cookware, and you can make lots of Indian curries if you love them. You can make lots of chai.
Lots of chai.
Yeah. So it's awesome to have in your kitchen. These utensils are really going to help you for making different kind of curries, different kind of veggies if you want, if you love them.
Yeah, pots, pans, spatulas. So we got a slow cooking crock pot, a cookware set, and the last thing we're going to throw in is a $20 gift card to Amazon. So in total, this is going to be about a $65 value at this Chai and Coaching holiday giveaway. Friends, what do they have to do to win? How do they qualify?
Okay, so if you want to win this, you have to subscribe to the Chai and Coaching. The subscribe button is below, and then you have to comment on this video that why do you want to win this.
We're going to select the winner from the comment section, so make sure you comment to be qualified. So step 1 is subscribe and comment. Soumya, what's step 2?
Step 2, you have to take a picture of yourself, a fun picture in the United States after you come here at the airport or with the Christmas light or something else that you are having fun with, and post your picture in social media like Facebook, Instagram, and tag Chai and Coaching. Don't forget to tag Chai and Coaching with the hashtag.
Yeah, so we're going to have a hashtag CNC holiday giveaway. You're going to see it right here and below. And those are the 2 steps on YouTube: to subscribe and comment, and then to post something on social media, Instagram, Facebook, tagging Chai and Coaching. Use the hashtag CNC holiday giveaway. Be creative, make it more fun. Tell us why you really want to win this for you and your friends or your roommates. On Monday, January 14th, we're going to pick the lucky winner to get all of these things: the slow cooker, the cooking set, the Amazon gift card. Why would it be so important for these students to win these things, guys?
Oh, so the slow cooker and the cooking set, it's a really important thing to have in your kitchen, and you know, food is one of the important things, and you need to cook your own food in US. As far as you're Indian, you need a lot of cookery. You know that. You can ask your mom, like, you need a lot of stuff. This thing here and this thing here actually covers everything, so you don't have to buy anything extra or carry these heavy things in your bag.
It's going to save so much time, so much money.
Yeah.
At Chai and Coaching, we are all about helping international students succeed here in America. So check out our other videos on all different types of topics: housing, studies, culture, jobs, finding and setting up your apartments, all these different things on how to be more successful and have a smooth transition to life here. Check those out. We want to help you guys out, give some feedback on how we can make more helpful video for you guys. So Soumya, what else can they do to increase their chances of winning this awesome giveaway?
In order to increase your chances to win this awesome giveaways from Chai and Coaching, the things you can do is like, comment, subscribe all the interesting videos of Chai and Coaching in all the social medias: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you can tag other friends of yours who are coming to the United States for their higher studies as well, so they can look the interesting videos that are posted by Chai and Coaching in different mediums. So just tag your friends and increase your chances of winning these awesome giveaways from Giant Coaching.
Yeah, we really want to see creative, fun pictures of you and your friends having fun experiences here in America, and really tell us why you want to win this and up your chances of winning. So yeah, Giant Coaching, we want to see you guys have an awesome, smooth transition. Be sure to check the description below. There's going to be lots of details, information, again, the steps you have to follow to be qualified, and let us know what else we can do to help you guys out here in America.
Thanks for joining.
Good luck.